So as a global leader in the pre-engineered metal building industry, it means more than just producing buildings. It means we've got to stay ahead of the trends. We've got to find and employ the people and the equipment here in our facility that are what the clients are looking for the future of manufactured facilities. All our clients are reaching to the future in the same way that we are, with new technologies, new skill sets at the manufacturing level. So for us to be a global leader, we have to do the same here. So with all the changes that we've experienced the last couple of years in new facilities and new supply chains and supply chains coming home, not just in the US, but globally, it was important to look at what clients need and how we could be a great partner for them to take them to the future. So all the trends have changed and all the demands have changed, and so we have designed a facility that can help our clients achieve what their goals are for their new production, their new distribution, and really the way they use their facilities today.